Hi everyone, Cooper here, part of the Rock the Stock development team and the proud spokesperson for the project. Before I start, thank you so much for stopping by. Now, I know your time is valuable, so I'm going to jump right to what matters most to you and of course what this presentation is all about. First, I'm going to explain what the Rock the Stock binary options trading software is all about. You'll want to hear this, mostly because you're about to understand why everything you've seen and heard about binary options is wrong. Yep, wrong. So keep listening. Second, I'll cover some very important, actually key aspects of its impressive performance. Third, I'll talk about how much money you can make by using the software. And finally, put away your credit cards because you won't need them today. I'm going to tell you how to get a 45-day trial of the software we've worked so hard to develop. So, let's start. Rock the Stock is actually one of the, if not the only system that trades binary options on stocks. You know, Microsoft, IBM, Google, etc. It doesn't trade the stocks themselves. It trades binary options on them, calls and puts. In fact, it's the only software in the world that trades binary options on stocks with such a very high level of profitability. That's probably the main reason why over 2,800 people from 70 countries have joined us since we launched the product back in November 2014. If you look above this video, you'll be able to see the people who joined Rock the Stock within the last 7 days. If you do decide to join, you'll be able to upload a picture of yourself to your member profile and have the option of displaying it on our website. But we know some people are shy, so it's your choice. Now, most people relate binary options with currency pairs, and in fact that's the only way the vast majority of people ever trade binary options, and that's exactly why they lose their money. The fact is, it's almost impossible to make money trading binary options on currency pairs. Why? 2 reasons. Reason 1, you need price to move in a solid and clear direction for a sustained period of time to place accurate calls and puts. That's a huge problem with currency pairs. Very few possess the characteristics to support any kind of sustained directional movement. The great appeal of binary options is that you only need to get the direction right. If you think price will be higher than it is when you enter your trade, then you place a call. And if you think it will be lower, you place a put. The problem is that currency pairs mostly dance up and down in random moves. So even though price might be trending, it's still almost impossible to achieve a high degree of directional accuracy. Now, that brings me to reason number 2, and why it's impossible to make money with binary options by trading currency pairs. The few currency pairs that do maintain a clear direction for a sustained period of time, and I stress few because only about 4 exist, will not do this to order, making it virtually impossible to know when such a move will occur with any reasonable degree of accuracy. So, here are some things you should keep in mind. The 2 reasons given explain why people and software trading binary options on currency pairs lose money. Rock the Stock goes where the herd isn't. Stock binary options. Knowing that at least 99% of binary options traders keep testing their luck on currency-based binary options is great news. Everyone knows the big money is made from things the vast majority aren't involved in. Now, here's why trading binary options on stocks is the best kept treasure of our times. First, there are over 50 stocks to trade with binary options. That's right, 50. Second, and very important, stocks have very, very clear directional movements. It's really incredible how clearly and accurately price moves with stocks. And that's exactly what we need for placing accurate call and put trades. Because regardless of which direction you're trading in, you need confidence that it will continue moving in that direction until the trade has ended. So, think about the following. Over 50 stocks that have incredibly clear, accurate and sustained up and down moves every single day. Now, from those 50 plus trading opportunities, imagine grabbing the top 5 to 77% of them. The cream of the cream. That's exactly what Rock the Stock does. Every day, the software automatically, 1, monitors price over movement for over 50 stocks. 2, pinpoints the absolute best call and put opportunities, the gems. 3, ensures that broker and market conditions are optimal to actually place trades. Then 4, places trades for you 100% hands-free. Do you know what happens following a dramatic discovery? A gold rush, just like the 19th century gold rushes in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, USA, etc. Complete craziness. That's exactly what you can expect when the masses discover they've been dead wrong all along, and that real money is made by trading binary options on stocks, not currency pairs. And that brings me to, well, the money. Let's talk about how much money our members are making with Rock the Stock. And more importantly, how much you can make with it. So, let's start with performance. Rock the Stock picks the best 3 stocks each day from the 50 plus available. The number of trades it then places on each of those stocks will vary because some days have more price movement, some have less, and some days experience directional changes. As regards actual trading, the past 4 months have resulted in around 40% of overall daily trades being calls and 60% puts. Of course, that's just an average. Some days it can be completely the other way around. The important thing is this: Rock the Stock enjoys over 80% winning trades. In other words, you should expect to see 80 profitable trades from every 100. If you risk a small amount per trade, maybe $10 on each trade, your daily profit can be between $1,700 and $2,300 per day. We actually have members achieving $6,000 profit per day. They didn't manage that immediately, but several have reached that level by starting with a small initial account and building it up over the space of just 3 to 4 weeks. How? They started out placing trades of around $10, then slowly increased the size of their trades as their new accounts begin to grow. So if they made $1,000 from their first week of trading with Rock the Stock, the next week they used that profit to continue trading with $20 per trade rather than $10. And why not? It's on the house, so to speak. Anyway, a great strategy for anyone who wants to: 1, turn a small amount into a huge one. 2, do it fast. 3, most importantly, do it safely. If you scroll down the page a bit, you'll see a set of videos we record every day. These are Rock the Stock performance videos, a kind of video diary, I guess. Anyway, what we do is randomly place trades on each of the 3 stocks chosen that day and record it live. We don't cherry pick trades and we don't delay recordings. What you see in the videos each day shows the actual trading and performance of Rock the Stock. When you use the software, it'll be placing the exact same trades for you automatically. If you wish, it can place many more trades, all with the exact same degree of accuracy and profitability. Okay, now to the good part: how you can start making money with Rock the Stock. This month only, we're having a special promotion. You get a 45-day free trial of our Rock the Stock software. That's right, 45 days to test Rock the Stock. You don't need to spend a single cent. In fact, you don't even need to use your credit card for this trial. It's on the house, 100% free, so you can begin making money in a few minutes from now. The trial version is exactly like the paid version, same features, same performance, same everything. Why give away the farm? Because over 80% of the people taking our 45-day trial switch to our monthly subscription package. That's how profitable people believe our Rock the Stock software is. Here's another little known fact. Over 90% of our free trial users, that's 9 out of 10 people, make more money during the first few days of their trial than a whole year's subscription will cost them. So, go ahead. Take advantage of our limited time special promotion while it's still available. Download Rock the Stock, the #1 binary options trading software. We guarantee that you and your bank account will thank us. Take action now. Take our software for a test drive and let us prove that this is the only binary option software that actually makes money for its users.